Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to name layers in Alight Motion account. To name your layers in Alight Motion, first of all, open the Alight Motion application and make sure that you are signed into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage, go ahead and open up a project you would like to work on. Once you open up the project, go ahead and select the layer from the timeline that you'd like to rename or name. If you've unnamed the layer, you will be able to see the unnamed layer option at the top of the screen. Go ahead and enter a new name for your layer, and then once you do that, you will be able to name your layer. You can rename layers anytime during your editing process, and that is how you can effectively name your layers in Alight Motion. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.